Cardiac arrest
Yeah.
is different from heart attack.
Yeah.
When you hear heart attack and then you hear cardiac arrest, it is very, very different. So today, cardiac arrest simply means say the hearts don't stop. You know when they arrest person, then hold up. You know if you waka again,
Okay.
they arrest them. So when we hear cardiac arrest, it means say the heart don't stop. Heart attack, no
Yeah.
be say heart stop.
Oh.
It means say the heart they cry, problem day. The person the heart still they walk, but
Wow.
problem day. But cardiac arrest means say heart don't stop.
As in just stop.
Stop to the work and na emergency. That is why you go good make everybody understand wetin be cardiac arrest, and then wetin you go do CPR. Wetin be the symptom of cardiac arrest?
Rush
Sometimes
CPR, not rush am. What is CPR mean? No?
and so that one maybe we go do one special class. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Meaning say you want bring back the heart, make it work.
Okay.
You want start and back.
Yeah.
And that one everybody supposed to know am. That one now special class.
Yeah.
How if you take no, say person if you get cardiac arrest,
Yeah.
if you don't even know, if it just happen, the heart go stop on the own.
Wow.
Or
Yeah.
person if they complain of chest pain. If they tell you say, I dey hear my heart they beat, or they tell you say they feel dizzy, you know they feel breathe too well. If it be sign. That is why we'd always beg people whenever you they complain, they get chest pain, you go need a medical professional to confirm if this thing now waiting you go need to be worried about, or maybe that kind of work where they do. So if you're day, you know, will give you any sign. And that's why you go hear somebody say, person go just the waka, person go just collapse, heart don't stop to work, or person go their house, person go sit down, person don't die, go like that.
Wow.
Or person go they drive motor, person go just dey for steering, don't die, go like that. So cardiac arrest fit cause that kind thing.
Wow.
They get age for cardiac arrest because
Yes, so-
this one when they talk.
We used to ask.
Yes. Now the thing is say the heart, anybody heart will stop at, but we go notice that when people get problem really, and those kind of problems they say for elderly, but that no mean say young person too no fit get cardiac arrest.
Okay.
Small pikin fit get young person fit get old person fit get
Wow.
People will get heart problem, get heart problem with your heart valves, or the way the heart they beat, they abnormal, or the heart get issue like heart failure, the heart fit stop, or the person get electrolyte issue, or the person they take drug. No, people the way they go take oncolos.
Yes, oncolos.
Those
Colos
things
on
too,
colos,
it stop the heart. So these are very, very important things. Make we take note of. Not be village people. And when person heart stop, you need to know if you not do something on time for that person fit not come back.
Wow.
You say something about your lifestyle, like maybe where did they work? They get some areas when person feel they work when they say feel affect.
No, so I give an example like work if you make chest pain you that they different. However, some kind jobs they manual job, those kind of very hard labor job. You understand? If it give you problem, and guess what? People too when they do that kind of work, they like take medicine anyhow, body pain and this and that and that and that. The more you do all these things for a very long time, if they give your body small damage, that one day, then another job, maybe they work for where the environment they very polluted.
Yeah.
All those things too feel affect. But majorly, if you get heart problem, if you put you at risk, this is why we advise people always see your doctor, make them check you, no use any sign, play like this.
Hello, Doctor. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Nakiman, they talk.
Fire down.
Yeah, Doctor. I beg, what will be the name of that machine? What did they use for the patients? So they say once their heart is like that. I wonder the name of that.
Defibrillator.
Okay, should not be the same machine? We say once the heart stop, what they will want you to revive it.
You go watch for movie.
Do that thing.
They will say clear.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
That thing, I not go lie for you. That thing shocked me. I hold the patient then when they try one clear the patient.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So the patient body touched my body. So I was carried as well. So I just want to remember the name.
Yeah. Automated external defibrillator. Yeah, defibrillator. Yeah.
My own question is say now my brother, my secondary two they take because the work with the work now hard working, hard work. So in two they take body pains. He go fit take this week, next week he go take again. I don't know whether it's good like that.
And you know too good. And too much body pain. Too much medicine for the body. Not too good. Yeah. So yes, look for a way, follow your brother. Advise him, make it try rest more. Try because too much of this body pain medicine, too much. I did the word too much, may no cause another problem for him body. So try advise him, I beg.
Hello, the phone line. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yes,
Good morning, doctor. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm calling from the island.
Go ahead.
Okay, doctor. This person they take cold something, always ice cream. If you make ice cream person.
So the answer now, yes and no, because cold stuff, normally they give problem. Cold water, cold ice cream, normally they give problem, but for some people, when they take that cold stuff, some people they will can't get problem. Now those people we go tell them make they no take out, but basically generally cold stuff they bad because they thank you for asking on radio right now. People they take cold stuff, yes, they take them well, no problem.
Okay.
But if say whenever you touch anything cold, you drink them or you lick them, will give you problem, then you stay away from it.
Thank you very much.
If somebody have a sleepless night, can the heart be beating?
Yeah, if you no sleep, your heart feel beat, your heart feel change. Your heart feel start to dey beat fast. If you know they sleep, it means say your body know they rest enough. Yeah, if you make your heart beat.
Another year, say heart attack different from cardiac arrest.
Yes.
Chook pound. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.